how to share internet tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. After click on connections, scroll down and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. After click on mobile hotspot and tethering, click on first of all insert cable adapter. After insert cable adapter and you will see feature is enable. If you want to, first of all turn on this button. After turn on internet tethering button and you will see insert cable in computer and you will see your internet is shared. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can share internet tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.